Hi Saskittens! This time a new review about JAPANFUNBOX. I really like this box because it's full of snacks about Japanese and I really like to taste them. So let's taste them. There's a potato here, so cute. I remember JAPANFUNBOX is a subscription box. Every month you can receive a box. But also you can try only one box one time. Oh, now some sweet biscuits. Yeah, chocolate biscuits, yeah. Oh, they are so small, look. Why Japanese people have a lot of good snacks? I really love them. And every time with the JAPANFUNBOX I discover new snacks every time. So, oh, popcorn snacks. With eggs too. They are cuts maybe. Oh no, again I can't open. So, as in the last videos, if you can't open with hands, let's open with tooth. No, l'ho rotta! No, I broke it. No. Oh. No. No, look. Pink popcorn. They're strawberry. Strawberry flour and also popcorn. I love Japanese snacks. Thank you so much, JAPANFUNBOX. And now another thing that I really love, Topolino, Mickey Mouse. Look, look. Yeah, and you can bring the candy. Other chips. Oh. Yeah. They smell are so good. And finally I can marry my 02 with this chips. Yeah, it's a ring. Paprika. Yeah. Oh, finally again some chocolate. But honestly, it looks like another thing. I hope it will be delicious. I'm just a little bit worried now. Oh, other big potatoes. They're not smelling really good, I have to say. I don't really like them. But let's continue with other chips. And they are my favorite ones. They are so funny too. I really love them. Another big package of these big sweets that I really like them because in the last package maybe I taste them. These one are caramel corn. They are very famous in Japan. I also like them. Cornetti caramellati in Italian. I'd like to teach you some Italian words. We have a little present. It's a Pokeball. Oh, Doraemon. So cute. There's a little present. Okay, now the snacks are finishing. I really enjoyed this box too again. And I hope you go to the site and see all the box that you can be yours. Let's go to the site and enjoy all the Japanese snacks. See you in the next video, Saskittens. Bye bye.